How to delete a message on Twitch if you are the mod, which is the moderator. Hey everybody! If you're also wondering how, in today's video we will be explaining how, so let's just get started. First of all, you may just head over to any of the stream available. For example, I am in the stream, and the thing is, in order to do so, you need to be moderator. Right now I'm not the moderator, so what you can do instead is, if you're the moderator, on your right hand side you will be finding usually all of the chats available. So if you find any of the messages that you would like to delete, you need to first of all head over to the settings icon right here, right in this chat, locate it up, open it up, and once you open up chat settings, here you need to have this option of mode option right here. If you have that option called mode, you can just go and enable it by turning on the toggle option right beside it. Once it is turned on, once the mode is turned on, you will be finding the chat as normal as it is. But the thing is, you can just go ahead and delete it. For that, you can just head over to one of the chat, or right before any of the words or chat comments that is being passed on the chat, you'll be finding a delete option right before it. So you can basically go ahead and right click on that particular the particular comment right there, and once you just go ahead and click on it, the message will be deleted by moderator, and that is it. So you may also follow the same process if you would like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.